with such medicines having addiction quality and should remain aloof from their long-term use so that he can be saved from its addiction from anchoring grip. The risk of the self-using medicine and the medicines of the quakes. Even in simple household treatments, some are proved harmful and ineffective. Example to apply fermentation in all types of swelling. As a matter of fact, the swelling in any injury is because of the minute breaking of the internal capillaries in which blood comes out but it doesn't have any way to go outside the skin. Hence, the blood collects around the muscles under the skin where swelling is seen. In such swelling, one should rub the eyes over the swollen part of the body which stop the bleeding outside. Given fermentation immediately after the injury does not stop the bleeding. On the contrary, the blood keeps on flowing and excessive swelling is occurs. When there is a dog bite, sprinkling of chili powder on the wound cause intolerable irritation. It will be no use. Sometimes the druggists are unknown to the hazard of the particular medicine. Hence, such medicine should not be purchased from him to avoid the possibility of occurring big difficulties. It has been noted that intake of aspirin sometimes creates the ulcer in the stomach and start bleeding. Some painkillers medicine have side effect of decreasing white blood cells, which in turn decrease the resistance power of the body. Hazard, hazards of the medicine from quicks. The unqualified quicks makes much use of the modern medicine in which there is possibility of great harm. Example antibiotic medicine and steroid medicine. Antibiotic medicine. When there is fever because of any infection or even without infection, unnecessary antibiotic medicine are given. Mostly such medicine are not all that necessary. Sometimes their selection is wrong. Their proper proportion sometimes is also is in more or less degree. The cooks doesn't know as to how many times in a day the medicine is to be given. Once the antibiotic medicine are continued, they should be continued for a specific period which the cook doesn't know. Steroid medicine. Steroid medicine is very much powerful. It is to be used only in the specific serious illness, that is allergic shock. Mostly it is widely used to reduce the fever or for better feeling of the patient, but it suppresses the symptoms of the diseases and reduce or vanish the resistant power, immunity. The internal secretion of the gland reduce the critical condition of the body cannot resist properly. Expiry of the date. Manufacturing date of medicine and within the what period it can be taken in use, that is manufacturing date and expiry date written on the vapor of the medicine or either on the bottle or any package. The time limit can be 1 year or even more than that. If expiry date is over, then that medicine cannot be used because the quality of that medicine get reduced. Again, there is no mention as to what will be the side effect. In short, a medicine after expired date should not be used. As a precaution, one should always read the expiry date at the time of purchasing it. By mistake, if you purchase it and when you go home and come to know that the expiry date is over, you should go to the druggist and give it back and should purchase the same medicine of which the expiry date is not over. The harmful effects of tobacco and liquor. Liquor and tobacco are the greatest enemy of the human being of the present time. These two collectively harm the human being so much that it is not done by the nuclear bomb. Because of these two vices, the educated person dies even after 3 minutes. In liquor there is ethyl alcohol element. In different types of liquor, the proportion of this element is less to more. This element make an individual addicted to it. Liquor makes great harm to an individual physically, mentally, socially, and at the family point of view. There is a belief about the liquor that if taken in small quantity is advantageous is not correct. Once started taking it, is proportion goes on increasing. The liquor drunkard loses his mentally balance. As a result, the crime like violence, rape, etc. go on increasing. The adverse effects of liquor are seen in the internal as well as the external organs. The harmful effect of liquor. There is a decrease in memory power and concentration. The individual becomes prone towards frustration, delirium, bad behavior, and violence. The skin of the face becomes dry. There are wrinkles on the face. There is difficulty in coagulation of blood. Liver is damaged. The possibility of developing cancer increase. There is tremors of the hands, numbness of the finger and minute pain. There is swelling on the digestive system, becomes malnutrition. There is vomiting and indigestion, ulcers in the stomach, swelling on the pancreas, imbalancing in the movement of the joints. There is numbness in the thumb of a leg, minute pain. The depth is created in the reproductive system. Now, the tobacco, the killing element nicotine in tobacco is responsible for addiction. The effect of addiction of tobacco are not seen immediately, like those of liquor. After a long time, its killing effect are seen. That is why tobacco is called slow poison. Tobacco is taken in different forms. BD cigarette in smoking form, gutka in a form of chewing and cleaning the teeth. But tobacco in any form has the capacity to be addicted to. It is dangerous for health. The harmful effect of tobacco. टोबैको की नुकसानकारक कारण है. Foul smell in the mouth. The taste cannot be enjoyed because of the harm to the nerves. There are ulcers in the mouth.